What's up, YouTube? Zombie here. It's my first YouTube video, but I wanted to show you guys something that I got recently that's pretty awesome. The Amiga Cd 32. I was at a local video game store of mine, and I was there to purchase a TurboGrafx 16 and some games and stuff. But anyways, I ended up seeing this, so I picked this up. It's not every day you see one of these at a video game store, but still in the box. Basically everything still in the plastic. So I'll show you the system here. I've only actually played it about twice. It's a pretty neat system, very weird. Look at the actual system, and it still has plastic seal on the CD cover and on the name. That's pretty cool. It flips up. Games go in there. You got your reset button right here. Headphone jack and the volume for the headphone jack. Controller ports on the left hand side here, as well as I believe a keyboard goes on there. And on the back here you got your audio video cables, and I think that's the S cable, RF out, and a power plug, and also your power on and off, and the expansion bay, which I have, as well as Gamester81 has. With give a quick shout out to him. Show you this Pure Vision SX1. I don't know how to hook this up, but I also have, which I haven't seen in anybody else's videos, the floppy drive for it, and also I got the mouse for it that I haven't seen in anybody else's video. It's basically just a standard 9-pin, like a Sega controller or Atari. Also, I got something else that's pretty neat that I thought was cool about the system. Show you real quick here. Now here's the controller, and I think it's actually pretty comfortable. The directional pad kind of feels a little weird, but that's what I was going to point out to you guys. Is I still have this in the plastic, and I don't know if you can make that out, but it's actually a D-pad sticker that goes over this 4-button thing right here, which I've never seen a controller like that before, but pretty sweet controller. The start button's a little overly huge, but this system was only released in like Europe, Australia, and Canada, I believe. And I'll show you what else I got with it. As far as this goes on the back of it, and there's also a cover for this that explains, well, it maps out which all these ports are for, and hooks up to the Paravision, I believe. Like I said, I don't know how to hook that up. If anybody has any information about that, let me know, because that'd be sweet. I do have some floppy drive games that I'll show you guys here in a minute that I'd like to play. But anyways, back to what else I got. The ginormous power pack that it comes with. Audio video cables, RF cables, and the RF still in the package. The warranty, which I'm sure is expired. I believe I have, the manuals for it. All the manuals. It's basically in mint condition. The box has some mixing games on it, but other than that, it's pretty decent shape. Show you what else I got with it. The Chaos Engine, which I have I got 2 copies of the Chaos Engine with it. I'll probably be looking to get rid of one of them at some point. I don't really see the games really often, so I don't really know what they go for, you know. Also, I got Brutal Football, which actually is really a pretty neat game, arcadey style, like soccer type. I don't know, kind of like a Mutant League Soccer if they would have made one, but with Vikings. Diggers, which was released with the system. It's a pretty weird game. I didn't really care for it too much. Defender of the Crown 2. Sports Football. Sleepwalker and Pinball Fantasies. Vital Light, which in my opinion is a lame ripoff of Tetris. I don't know why, I just couldn't get into it, but James Pond 2. And they also, this was huge, trying to make it huge anyways then, was the CDG stuff. Video. This is Insight Technology, and it basically is a how it works type video for it. And I also got, which is really neat, the Guinness Disc of Records, which is like the Book of Records, but you can watch things like video, listen to audio clips and pictures of the Guinness Book of Records. And the 3 games that I got that are the floppy drives is Muds, Mean Ugly Sport, Alien Breed, the Special Edition, and the Lotus Esprit Turbo Challenge. And I've yet to play any of these games because of the whole Paravision floppy drive issue that I'm having. That's about it. I probably could show some gameplay footage at some point. Maybe I'll make another video if you guys want to see that, as well as some other stuff in my collection. Just leave a comment in the bottom and let me know what you think. It's a pretty sweet system, like I said. Not too many of these you see. I paid about $250 for everything that I just showed you, which is kind of steep, but you don't see them every day. And this was the first time I'd ever seen one in person, so obviously that's why I picked it up. But yeah, that's it.